Good morning, everyone. I am Riya Sinha, your English teacher. Today, we will start a new chapter that is chapter number 3 of your grammar, nouns, countable and uncountable. As you all have learned, noun in the earlier chapter, noun is the name of person, place, animal, or things. So, as the definition said, that any name of person, place, animal, or things is considered as noun. Noun can be countable or uncountable, like eggs, cake tin, books, pencil. These things can be counted, so they are called countable nouns. Flour, sugar, salt, milk, butter, chocolate powder, chocolate sauce, these things we cannot count. These cannot be counted. So, they are called uncountable nouns. So, basically, a countable noun is a noun we can count. Words like how many and a few are used with countable nouns. An uncountable noun is a noun we cannot count. So, words like how much, a lot of, and a little are used with uncountable nouns. So, basically, the noun which we can count are considered as countable nouns, and those nouns which we cannot count are considered as uncountable nouns. A countable noun may be used in the singular or plural form, as we have studied singular or plural in the earlier chapter also. For example, he bought an orange and 2 bananas from the green grocer. She has a pen. She uses the pen to write stories and poems. There are 3 books in his bag. There are 10 candles on the birthday cake. We may use a and the with a countable noun. An uncountable noun is generally used only in the singular form. We may use the with an uncountable noun. Some uncountable noun is only used in singular form. For example, Grandpa listens to the news on radio. Father has arranged the furniture in the room. He took a lot of time to finish his homework. There is garbage lying on the street. We can express the amount of uncountable things in different ways. We can say a cup of coffee, a spoonful of sugar, a slab of butter, and so on. Here are some more examples. Let's see it. How much and exactly how much. 2 columns are given here. In how much, quantity of something are given, and in exactly how much, the exact quantity of a particular thing is given. See, drink a lot of water every day. Here, the exact quantity of water is not mentioned. Drink 8 glasses of water every day. But in the second column, 8 glasses of water means exact quantity of water is mentioned. I need a little toothpaste. I need a dab of toothpaste. Exactly the same. Mix a little honey with warm water. Mix a spoonful of honey with warm water. The artist needs a little paint. The artist needs a tube of paint. They asked for a lot of paper. A lot of paper is given here, not the exact quantity. They asked for 10 sheets of paper, and in the second column 10 sheets of paper is mentioned. Add a little salt to the curry. Add a pinch of salt to the curry. Father chopped a lot of wood. Father chopped 5 blocks of wood. A lot of wood and 5 blocks of wood. That's the difference. I want to buy a length of red cloth. I want to buy 2 meters of red cloth. Length of red cloth and 2 meters. 2 meters means exact quantity of cloth is mentioned here. Hope you all understood the chapter well. Thank you and have a nice day.